A leading yogurt company is up and running 75% faster using Frain's pay-as-you-go program. They had purchased a new cup filler with an 8 to 12 month lead time. That would be 3 to 12 months of sales lost to competitors. After receiving the customer samples, Frain delivered a complete line of cup filler sealer, topper, vibratory feeder, bucket elevator, and scale in 6 weeks. Thoroughly tested, Frain's plug-and-play equipment was customized and ready for production when it arrived. With Frain's pay-as-you-go program, the customer just paid for the time they used the equipment and returned it when their new cup filler was installed, allowing them to capture increased sales. If you are short on time and cash, talk to one of Frain's experienced engineers and see how you can speed your next project into production with the advantage of plug-and-play machinery.